What we are doing today is we are going to be exploring your river very closely, and we're looking for little critters who are living in the river. You'll have some ID sheets, and I'll discuss this more when we get down there, but there are some examples on these kinds of sheets of some of the critters, some of the invertebrates you might find. So have some patience, use the tools, use the sheets, try to figure out who you're looking at. And then once I see that people are starting to look at these organisms with the tools, then we'll pull out the iPads to take photos, okay? Oh, remember, they are living creatures. We are going into their space. We want to treat them with respect. And at the end of when we're exploring with them, then let's say you have some in here. The way that they go back into the water is very gently, letting them, like moving the bucket away from them. We're not pouring them into the water. We're not being aggressive. We want to harm them as little as possible.
Okay, that's good. Guys, move back. And instead of... What song are we singing when you get?
There's a lot, like thousands upon thousands of different types of aquatic water living organisms in the rivers of Toronto, in the lakes of Toronto. There's a lot of things tying together. We saw those ducks who rely on these animals for food. There's a lot of living things that are all tied together, and this is just one part of that puzzle that you're learning about.